Alright guys, I'm doing a review on this M&M food market. So I was walking by and they had some gluten-free sections and things like that, so I wanted to check them out and do a quick review of these. So this was part of their gluten-free section. So it is a beef chili, and let's take a look at this. And this was on sale, by the way, so that's why I picked it up. So there are the instructions, how to warm it up. And here is the ingredients right there. Let's see. Or the nutrient panels right there. So lots of fiber in this. The ingredients are right here. So if you guys want to take a look, there we go. Got beef, water, tomatoes, yeah, some red beans. So let's open this up. Kind of curious what it tastes like. They were on sale, like I said, so. Alright, so apparently you want to put into like a slow cooker or something and then warm it up that way. So I'll be back, guys. Stay tuned and I'll do a review of the taste test. Alright guys, so the chili's all done here. I'm going to do a quick taste test. You can see the beans. I added some carrots and some other chickpeas in there, so hold on here. So taste-wise, it actually it's got a kick to it. It's got some spices in there. It has a nice beef type of broth to it, and I would say it's got some good flavor. It's not salty or anything. Definitely check out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. It does have a kick to it, and some spices. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.